everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome back for another video. Hope everyone's doing great today. So we got some tile and grout cleaning today. So we're going to take you through the step-by-step process of how we clean tile and grout over here at Steam Boss. So if you are on the fence about hiring us or want to know the process to see if it's right for you, today is your day. So we're just starting to bring some stuff in. So in today's video here, we just have a vacant rental here. So luckily it's a really good example because everything is gone and empty, so we don't have to worry about stuff being in the way. Allows us to do a much better job. But on the surface, from the camera, it never looks that dirty. But here's a spot where there was a rug kind of sitting. You can kind of see that there, how that color is. And then you can see the rest of it is pretty dark. So dirty, clean, dirty, and clean. So it is actually pretty dirty here. We're gonna get it all cleaned up for them. We got some paint issues over here. Most of the time that paint will come right off. So we're just getting stuff set up right now. So the first thing we're going to do, if we have to, is sweep everything, which we've already swept 2 of the rooms here because they had some debris going on. We're gonna start over here in the master bedroom. Got a couple bathrooms here. So I've already laid our solution, our high alkaline cleaner down here. It's been sitting for a few minutes. We like to let it dwell for about 10 minutes or so before we really get into any cleaning. It helps really break down all the dirt in those grout lines and on top of the tile because yes, we're mostly cleaning grout, but we're obviously cleaning the tile as well. And a lot of times, the tile is actually dirtier than you think. It doesn't really appear so, but after we're done with it, it is usually a lot brighter. So the tile gets pretty clean too. I don't know if there's a light in here. There we go. Closet's not too bad. You can see in the corners where it's not as dirty as kind of the rest of the spot. Now that this has been sitting a few minutes, we are going to take our CRB machine, which is a counter rotating brush machine. We'll flip it over so you guys can see what this thing kind of looks like here. So on the bottom here, we have 2 brushes, and you can see how they kind of turn. And now that kind of does all the agitation for us, so we don't have to get a brush and do it on our hands and knees, except for, well, behind the toilet and areas like that, where we still have to do it by hand, but the machine helps us a lot and always gets good results. So we'll put you guys down. Let's start CRBing this. After we've done CRBing it, we will take our spinner tool, which I will show you guys here. This tool here actually pressure washes tile. Let me flip it over so you guys can see. Okay, so here's the bottom of it here. This actually spins with hot water. That kind of makes a little bit of a vortex here, just like you would do on a sidewalk or a driveway or something like that, except for our tool picks it up as well. So it does a really great job of cleaning it, really thorough. So that's pretty much what we use here to clean our tile. Really gets in all the grout lines there. Okay, the product's been sitting about 10 minutes or so. She's almost done CRBing everything in here. It's looking nice. You can see it looks a lot cleaner and we haven't even rinsed it yet. So I am going to go outside here, get this baby turned on. Now, before I turn the machine, it gets really loud in here, I do want to mention one other thing, and that is we are not actually sealing this grout today. Normally, it is a good idea to seal the grout as soon as we clean it. It will last a lot longer. It will clean up a lot easier for you when you're just cleaning it at home. So normally we would want to seal the grout right after this. The only reason why we're not today is because this is, did I say it right? I think this one is for sale. So they are just cleaning this one up to get it ready to sell. So they don't want to obviously put the money in it to seal it for the new homeowner. But if they were keeping it, they would have had it sealed. So, and here is all done. We got some fans going. So, I want to point this out because there are a few spots in this room. I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera, but like this spot right here, which is still pretty dark, compared to how clean it is kind of everywhere else. Now, this spot here is gonna require a special treatment. Not all stains are created equal, not all soil is created equal. So with this, we're actually gonna take a acidic cleaner and actually etch the top layer of this grout off in order to clean it. So with this, we're gonna have to acid treat this, and then we're gonna have to go back over it with the alkaline cleaner, and that will clean all that up. There's a couple spots here and there with it, this being one of the worst, but so it's not always just a cut and dry with tiles. Sometimes it takes a little bit more time and finesse to get it looking good, but overall it looks very good. There's just a couple spots like that that will have to have a little bit more attention. Okay guys, so just finished cleaning this area. Got a rinse on it, got the fans on it here to kind of speedy dry it, and yeah, check that out. So that's pretty much it guys. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Try not to make this one too long, so I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys for watching. If you could, hit that subscribe button if you are new to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I know we can do it. Throw this video a thumbs up, visit our Facebook, our Instagram, our website, and as usual, we'll see all you guys on the next video. Peace.